Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo a fast and effective vision enhancement method for single foggy images. So in this project we have collected the dataset of fog images and pre-processing done through the principal component analysis. And the main aim of this project is to detect fog-free images from the input of fog images. So we can check for the block diagram. You can see the block diagram. So this is the input fog images and pre-processing is done through the principal component analysis. And after that calculate the atmospheric light and calculate the transmission map. And last convert image transformation back to the original shape. And final step is restore the fog free images. So this is the block diagram for to detect fog free image. So now we go for the code. We type ideally open file open. So CV2 is used for to display the images or to read the images, save the images. We will import this library. And after that numpy for array conversion. And these are the files we are imported in this file. Airlight, POMCON, and call transmission. These are the files we have imported. So this will detect the fog-free images. The images contains any fog. First it will convert it into array conversion, then error. So this file we have imported in the main code and bound for this file. We see click on open. So here we are converting float integer. If the image is in fog, it will convert it into float. So 3 is the RGB channels. So that image it will convert it into float. And these are the libraries. So if we want to import, we have to install in the command prompt. And CV2.image show will display the original image and existing and proposed. And the last it will display the scores, structure similarity score. It will display. Click on run model. Select any from the dataset images. Select any one of the images. So using matplotlib, it will display the graph. Display the graph using matplotlib. This is the proposed output. So this is the original image. This is the existing. And this is the proposed. So this you can see the original image. Second existing, you can see the little bit foggy images is present. And third images you can see fog free compared to the original and existing. You can check for another input. Click on run model. Select any one of the images from the images folder. Column. So this is the graph existing and this is the proposed. Here you can see the original image, existing image, and the proposed. So final input output is fog free images. Then check for another input. This is the output of existing graph and this is the proposed.